Just bass cap. Oh, Babylon fall. Oh, Babylon fall. Backward people, twisted minds. Yes, I am. God bless you then. And their patience, very thin. Yeah. World is a dangerous place to live. For real. Well dangerous. Mankind forgets how to forgive. Forgive and forget. Our leaders play politics with our lives. We're tired of the corrupt leaders then. Always planning wars and building strife. Too much war. Suffering people. True. Wasted lives. Face the fire. Just survive. Starving children. Hungry and weak. Of course some future is all they see. As we sing, Babylon fall. Babylon fall. I say, and again, Babylon fall. Whoa, Babylon fall. The world has become a killing field. We are all treading on melted steel. Those who can hear will surely feel. All who know hear shall
This is
feel.
culture, man. This is for real.
Base camp
Is there a
myself.
future for the young? Is there a heaven for the old? Can there be peace in this restless
Yes,
world?
fear pressure.
Will we be standing when the frown unfurls?
Tell them
Oh,
Babylon fall. Oh, Babylon fall.
I say,
Oh, Babylon fall.
oh, Babylon
Babylon must fall.
backward
True.
twisted minds,
I'm a step forward to the people.
reading so great between the lines. Heartless people living in sin, and their patience is wearing thin. I said, boy, Babylon fall.
Not even the dog that pisses against the wall of Babylon shall escape this judgment.
Babylon fall.
But every ghetto youth shall witness when Babylon falls. Yes, GORGON sound. No shakiness. Warrior business. Big up all my early morning skanking crew. Respect you. Sit. Yes, face cap. can't be bought or sold for no money nor gold. Stepping out of Babylon and time to go home. Worldly endeavors never soothe my soul. In this game card like me just a play my role. Talking the half that's never been told. Walking the paths of the brave and the bold. Jaja is my light on the darkest road. So I fear no flesh, I said I fear no foe. I fear no foe, said I fear no enemy. Jaja, I'm a guide, I'm a shield, I'm a energy. Him not left me side. Jaja provide, so inside the weak, I know I'm a remedy. Word sound, powers and melody. Ancient memories of African legacy. Wasted it from the graves and the cemeteries. And walking the footsteps of a young man. And can't be bought our soul for no money nor gold. Stepping out of Babylon and time to go home. World feeling and never soothe my soul. In this thing called let me just out there my role. Talking the half that's never been told. Walking the paths of the brave and the bold. Jaja is my light on the darkest road. So I fear no flesh, I said I fear no foe. Militant mindset, atheistic climate. I possess the truth when none of them still not find it. Rooted and grounded, the trumpets of sounding. The pagans are shook, now we have them surrounded. The masses stay blinded, misled and misguided. Times get so dread that I refuse to remain silent. The sons of the star don't take freedom for granted. I tell them say I can't be bought our soul for no money nor gold. Stepping out of Babylon and time to go home. Worldly endeavors never soothe my soul. In this game card and me just a play my role. Talking the half that's never been told. Walking the paths of the brave and the bold. Jaja is my life on the darkest road. So I fear no flesh, I said I fear no foe. We tell them dog and soul in a full control. And in the soul one, that's where I go send that code. I said I fear no flesh, I said I fear no foe. Can't be bought for no money nor gold. Yes, I am. Selassie, I know. GORGON son, riders should feet. Worries, 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 worries.